Hi everyone, how are we doing? My name is Cameron Bowen and today we're going to be reviewing Trade.com. So it's a broker that has been around since 2009. Originally based in Cyprus, it's multilingual, so it does cater for lots of different languages and it does FX and CFDs. Apologies. A little bit more background. So it operates a segregated account system, which basically means in the case of insolvency, compensation will be rewarded. I think they've got a deal with some of the Cypriot banks to make sure this happens, which is great. I have had a look through, so I'll give you a few of the ins and outs. So the minimum deposit for Trade.com is £100, which is pretty reasonable, I would say, for a broker, especially if you're just starting out. The spread that they offer is 2 pips, so it's from 2 pips. Obviously, it depends on the market. We've just had non-farms today. I'm sure that spread will increase with high impact news, but it does say from two pips, which is probably about standard across the market. Leverage is 300 to 1. Well, that's the maximum leverage that they offer. And the minimum trade is a micro lot, which is 0.1 of a dollar, which again really does cater for new time traders. Right, let's have a little bit of a nose through. So look, you can see here the markets. So they offer FX, they offer shares, commodities, indices. They also offer crypto. Some of the cryptocurrencies as well. The support. So they offer 24/7 support with a dedicated account manager. This is like most brokers. You would hope to get that sort of service. And the languages they do offer English, German, and Italian. Now they offer 3 different accounts, so a classic, gold, and a platinum. And you can see here the minimum here would be $1,000, $5,000, and these are all the things that you get offered with them. So obviously, the more money you input into the account, obviously, the better service you get. So to deposit into Trade.com, it's fairly standard. You can use a credit card or a wire transfer. There are a few alternatives that you can use, like Skill and Safeguard, which added security essentially. When you do withdraw, you do need to verify as well. So you may need to send a proof of address or something like that. What extras do they offer? So they do offer, we were on the account section, and they do offer text message signals, they offer education videos, they offer trade analysis. So they do offer quite a bit, try and get you to put your money with these guys. They've been going, as I said, for quite a while now, so I would consider them fairly trustworthy. So platforms, WebTrader and MT4. For you guys that are fairly new to trading, MT4 can be quite complex. I've actually just signed up for a demo account on the WebTrader, so I think it's worth having a look at that and seeing what we make of it. All right, so we'll have a look around the platform a little bit. So what are we after in the platform? We want it to be easy. We want everything to be easy to find. First off, you can see here's our account. As I mentioned, it's a demo account, so they've given us £10,000. It's our balance and equity, gives us our margin and open P&L, excuse me. So this is fairly self-explanatory. If it stays here, you'll always know exactly how much you've got in your account, which is very good. While we're on account, let's click on my account. So here you can ask for the statement, and obviously you can go back as far as you like. So that will tell you all the trades, all the trade histories, your ins and outs, the prices, the dates that you took those trades, which is again fairly easy. Look, they're offering. I've got an offer here if you complete the registration, which again is quite nice. Right, now let's go to currencies, the instruments here. So you can see if we scroll down, we've got Facebook, we've got cable, gold. So these are the popular ones. If we click here, so you can see these are all the instruments in here so if we were to go FX market and go the minors, you can see Aussie CAD, and basically these are all the prices down here. Now we find ourselves here. This is the chart. So at the moment, this is on Euro Sterling. If we were to click Aussie CAD, that would then happen. Wow, Aussie CAD had a big old move. I think that would be something to do with the Canadian dollar, which had some news up today. So we've got price, the price here on the right, time at the bottom. Now, how easy is it to change time frame? Fairly easy. You can see them all down there. Again, the type of candle, bar or line. What settings do we have? So you can adjust the chart settings to, if you wanted a white background. Here you've got all the studies or indicators, so DMI, MACD, things like that. Drawing tools, let's see how easy the drawing tools are. So yeah, fairly manageable, and I'm sure you can change those as well. You can also change it to a crosshair so you can see the price of each one. So for example, we can see this one high was 98.62 and the low was 97.96. It's quite a big move there, but yeah, so very user friendly. You don't need too much more than this if you're just going to be trading. I do think it's a very nice platform and easy to get around. You can see you can deposit your funds here. You can create a watch list, so I've got Euro Sterling here, and here you've got open positions, orders, closed positions, order history. Again, so it's very manageable. You can see your open trades, your closed trades whenever you like. I've got a bit of news, and so some of the extras that they've got here are under these tabs. So again, very easy. I would say I think it is a good platform and something I would definitely recommend. So if you want to open an account with trade.com, there is a link down at the bottom. Please click that. Also, you could just go to trade.com. And as well, if you want to see slightly more information, there is a review on snipethetrade.com, which goes into a little bit more detail. In fact, let me show you. And you can also see here, this is Snipe the Trade, and it's got a little check sheet with regards to the trading platform. So you can see the things it doesn't do. It doesn't do automated trading, doesn't do hedging, and doesn't do guaranteed orders, executions. But everything else it does offer, well, no binaries, but it's not the end of the world. Right guys, we will call that a day. As I mentioned, if you want to see more videos, please click the button, click subscribe to see all the next videos. Please do use trade.com to deposit money. As I said, the link is below. Get on and do that because it is a great broker. But for the moment, we'll wrap that up. Thank you very much.